Hello students, welcome to biology class. Today we are going to discuss the topic mechanism of response coordination from chapter 4, that is human body. So basically in the previous lecture I told you about the nervous system, okay, and its part. So today we will discuss how the response coordination is brought in the body. So basically this mechanism of response coordination, it involves three steps. Okay. First is receiving the message or stimulus. Second is processing, and third is transfer of response to effector part. So these three steps are involved in the mechanism of response coordination. First is collection of the message or stimulus, that is signals, then the processing of that stimulus, and third one is the transfer of response to the effector part. Okay, so one by one we will discuss this, how all the steps they take place. So the first is receiving the signal or the stimulus. So for this we have sense organ. Whenever the sense organ it detects any stimulus, it converts that into nerve impulse. Okay, then this nerve impulse or the chemical signal, it is transferred to spinal cord by the help of sensory neuron. So the role of this sensory neuron is to take impulse or the nerve impulse to spinal cord. Okay, and this spinal cord, from this spinal cord it will be sent to brain. Now the second step it starts. So the second step is processing of messages. For this, brain is responsible. The messages, they are processed in the brain, and the brain, they have different centers for different stimuli. Okay, and these centers are known as neural centers. Like for hearing, the brain is having different region for sound, for taste, for vision. The brain is having different regions for different stimuli. Okay, so these particular regions, they are known as neural centers. So what happens? The function of the brain is to process the message. Means the brain will interpret the message. Okay, and the brain now is ready to give the command. Okay. Then third. Now beta, third step is transfer of response. Whatever the command brain has given, that command is to be sent to the effector part or the effector organ. So what happens? The result, the output which brain has given, it will be sent to the effector part by the help of motor neuron. So the result from the brain with the help of motor neuron, okay, it will be sent to effector organ or effector part. So which neuron is taking part here? It is motor neuron. So beta, these three steps are involved in mechanism of response coordination. First, the signal or the stimuli are received by the sense organ. Second, there is processing of the message in the brain, and brain are having different region for different stimuli. Okay, and these regions are known as neural centers. And the third one is the brain will send the command or the result. Okay, and these result or the command, these are sent to the effector part or the effector organ through motor neurons.